श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु भक्तियोगश्लोकसङ्ग्रहः ध्यानश्लोकः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचानूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचानूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। I salute to Lord Krishna, the world's teacher, the son of Vasudeva, the destroyer of Kamsa and Chanura, the supreme bliss of Devaki. I salute that Madhava, the source of supreme bliss, whose grace make the dumb eloquent and the crippled cross mountains. Shri Bhagavanuvacha चतुर्विधा भजन्ते मां जनाः सुकृतोऽर्जुन आर्तो जिज्ञासुरार्थार्थी ज्ञानी च भरतर्षभ। चतुर्विधा भजन्ते मां जनाः सुकृतोऽर्जुन आर्तो जिज्ञासुरार्थार्थी ज्ञानी च भरतर्षभ। O best amongst the Bharatas, four kinds of pious people engage in my devotion: the stressed, the seekers after knowledge, the seekers of worldly possessions, and those who are situated in knowledge. तेजः क्षमा धृतिः शौचम् अद्रोहो नातिमानिता भवन्ति सम्पदं दैवीम् अभिजातस्य भारत। तेजः क्षमा धृतिः शौचम् अद्रोहो नातिमानिता भवन्ति सम्पदं दैवीम् अभिजातस्य भारत। O son of Bharata, vigor, forgiveness, fortitude, cleanliness, bearing enmity toward none, and absence of vanity are godly qualities. दम्भो दर्पोऽभिमानश्च क्रोधः पारुष्यमेव च अज्ञानं चाभिजातस्य पार्थ सम्पदमासुरीम्। दम्भो दर्पोऽभिमानश्च क्रोधः पारुष्यमेव च अज्ञानं चाभिजातस्य पार्थ सम्पदमासुरीम्। O Partha, the qualities of those who possesses a demonic nature are hypocrisy, arrogance, conceit, anger, harshness, and ignorance. Daivi sampadvimokshaya nibandhaya surimata मासुचः सम्पदं दैवीम् अभिजातोऽसि पाण्डव। दैवी सम्पद्विमोक्षाय निबन्धायासुरीमता मासुचः सम्पदं दैवीम् अभिजातोऽसि पाण्डव. The transcendental qualities are conducive to liberation, whereas the demonic qualities make for bondage. Do not worry, O son of Pandu, for you are born with the divine qualities. Nantosti mama divyanam vibhutinam parantapa esha tu desatah prokto विभूतेर्विस्तरो मया. नान्तोऽस्ति मम दिव्यानां विभूतीनां परन्तप एष तु देशतः प्रोक्तो विभूतेर्विस्तरो मया. There is no end to my divine manifestations, O conqueror of enemies. What I have declared to you is a mere sample of my infinite glories. Yajjat vibhuti matsattvam srimad urjitameva va tat devavagachatvam mama tejomsa sambhavam. Yajjat vibhuti matsattvam srimad urjitameva va तत्तद्देवावगच्छत्वं मम तेजोंस्य संभवम्. Know that all beautiful, glorious and mighty creations spring from but a spark of my splendor. Mayyeva mana adatsva mayi buddhim nivesaya nivasishyasi mayyeva अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः. मय्येव मन आधत्स्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय निवसिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः. Just fix your mind upon me, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and engage all your intelligence in me. Thus you will live in me always without a doubt. Arjuna uvacha evametadhyathatvam atmanam paramesvara drashtumichchami te rupam aiswaram purushottama. Evametadhyathatvam आत्मानं परमेश्वर द्रष्टुमिच्छामि ते रूपम् ऐश्वरं पुरुषोत्तमा. O greatest of personalities, O supreme form, though I see here before me your actual position, I yet wish to see how you have entered into this cosmic manifestation. I want to see that form of yours. Sri Bhagavan uvacha na tu mam sekyase drashtum anenaiva svachakshusha divyam dadami te chakshuhu pasya me yogamaiswaram. Na tu mam sekyase drashtum anenaiva svachakshusha divyam dadami te chakshuhu pasya me yogamaiswaram. But you cannot see me with your present eyes. Therefore, I give to you divine eyes by which you can behold my mystic opulence. Sanjaya uvacha eva muktva tato rajan mahayogeshwaro harihi darsayamasa parthaya paramam rupamaiswaram. एवमुक्त्वा ततो राजन् महायोगेश्वरो हरिः दर्शयामास पार्थाय परमं रूपमैश्वरम्. Sanjaya said, O king, speaking thus, the Supreme, the Lord of all mystic power, the personality of Godhead, displayed his universal form to Arjuna. Kiritinam gadinam chakrahastam ichchami tvam drashtumaham tathaiva tenaiva rupena chaturbhujena सहस्रबाहो भव विश्वमूर्ते. किरीटिनं गदिनं चक्रहस्तम् इच्छामि त्वां द्रष्टुमहं तथैव तेनैव रूपेण चतुर्भुजेन सहस्रबाहो भव विश्वमूर्ते. किरीटिनं गदिनं चक्रहस्तम् इच्छामि त्वां द्रष्टुमहं तथैव तेनैव रूपेण चतुर्भुजेन सहस्रबाहो भव विश्वमूर्ते. O universal Lord, I wish to see you in your four-armed form with helmeted head and with club, wheel, conch and lotus flower in your hands. I long to see you in that form. Adruštapurvam krutitosmi društva bhayena cha pravaditam mano me tadeva me darsya deva rupam prasida devesa jagannivasa. अदृष्टपूर्वं हृषितोऽस्मि दृष्ट्वा भयेन च प्रव्यथितं मनो मे तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपं प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास. After seeing this universal form, which I have never seen before, I am gladdened, but at the same time my mind is disturbed with fear. Therefore, please bestow your grace upon me and reveal again your form as the personality of Godhead, O Lord of Lords, O abode of the universe. Sri Bhagavanuvāca Sudurdarshamidam Rūpam Društavānasi Yanmama देवा अप्यस्य रूपस्य नित्यं दर्शनकाङ्क्षिणः सुदुर्दर्शमिदं रूपं दृष्टवानसि यन्मम देवा अप्यस्य रूपस्य नित्यं दर्शनकाङ्क्षिणः. The blessed Lord said, My dear Arjuna, the form which you are now seeing is very difficult to behold. Even the demigods are ever seeking the opportunity to see this form which is so dear. Brahma bhutah prasannatma na sochati na kankshati samah sarveshu bhuteshu madbhaktim labhate param. Brahma bhutah prasannatma na sochati na kankshati samah sarveshu bhuteshu madbhaktim labhate param. One who is thus transcendentally situated at once realizes the Supreme Brahman. He never laments nor desires to have anything. He is equally disposed to every living entity. In that state, he attains pure devotional service unto me. सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वां सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः। सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वां सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः। Abandon all varieties of religion and just surrender unto me. I shall deliver you from all sinful reaction. Do not fear. Antakale cha mameva स्मरन् मुक्त्वा कलेवरं यः प्रयाति समद्भावं याति नास्त्यत्र संशयः। अन्तकाले च मामेव स्मरन् मुक्त्वा कलेवरं यः प्रयाति समद्भावं याति नास्त्यत्र संशयः। Those who relinquish the body while remembering me at the moment of death will come to me. There is certainly no doubt about this. Abrahma bhuvanalokaah punaravartinorjuna mamupechyatu kaunteya पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते। आब्रह्म भुवनालोकाः पुनरावर्तिनोऽर्जुन मामुपेत्यतु कौन्तेय पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते। From the highest planet in the material world down to the lowest, all are places of misery wherein repeated birth and death takes place, but one who attains to my abode, O son of Kunti, never takes birth again. Teshamaham samudharta mrityu samsara sagarat bhavami nachirat pardha mayyavesita chetasam. तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्यु संसार सागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशित चेतसाम्. For one who worship me, giving up all his activities unto me, and being devoted to me without deviation, engaged in devotional service and always meditating upon me, who has fixed his mind upon me, O son of Pritha, for him I am the swift deliverer from the ocean of birth and death. Om Tat Sat iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Bhakti Yoga Shloka Sangraha. Harihi Om Tat Sat, Harihi Om Tat Sat, Harihi Om Tat Sat.